In today's video, we'll know how to make crow's feet.
So let's get started.
Take your middle finger and put this string into the middle finger and this one into middle. Now, take your third finger and put the last string of thumb into that. Now, take the string which is below the third finger string, like this. Same here, like this. Now take out the last string which is here. Now only the one shape is remain. Take out your string which is in middle fingers. Now your